Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with a focus on the 7-minute bodyweight workout designed specifically for beginners. This quick yet effective routine is perfect for those looking to kickstart their fitness journey without the need for fancy equipment or a gym membership. The purpose of this workout is simple: to help you build strength, improve your endurance, and boost your overall health in just a few minutes a day. One of the best things about this workout is its accessibility. You can do it anywhere, at home, in the park, or even in your office during a break. All you need is a little space and your own body weight to get started. In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing fitness is more important than ever. Regular exercise not only enhances your physical health but also improves your mental well-being, helping you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. So, let's get moving and make fitness a fun and integral part of our daily lives. Before we dive into our 7-minute bodyweight workout, it's crucial to warm up properly. A quick warm-up not only prepares your muscles but also increases blood flow, helping to prevent injuries. Let's spend about 1 minute on some dynamic stretches that will get your body ready to move. Start with arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles, gradually increasing the size. Do this for about 15 seconds, then switch directions. Next, move into leg swings. Hold onto a wall or chair for balance and swing one leg forward and backward for 15 seconds, then switch to the other leg. Now, let's get our heart rate up a bit with some high knees. Stand tall and jog in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest for 30 seconds. This will not only warm up your legs but also engage your core. Remember, warming up is essential to prepare your body for exercise and reduce the risk of strains or sprains. So, let's get those muscles ready and jump into our workout. Now, let's get into one of the most effective exercises for building lower body strength, the bodyweight squat. To perform this exercise correctly, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes slightly pointed outward. Engage your core and keep your chest up as you begin to lower your body. Imagine sitting back into a chair, bend your knees and push your hips back while keeping your weight on your heels. Aim to lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as low as you can comfortably go. Remember, proper form is key to maximizing effectiveness and preventing injury. As you squat, focus on your breathing. Inhale as you lower down and exhale as you push back up to the starting position. This will help you maintain control and stability throughout the movement. For beginners, aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. If you find it challenging, feel free to start with fewer reps and gradually increase as you build strength. Let's get those legs working and feel the burn. Next up in our workout is the classic push-up, a fundamental bodyweight exercise that targets your upper body strength, particularly your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Push-ups are fantastic because they engage multiple muscle groups, making them an efficient addition to any workout routine. If you're new to push-ups or find them challenging, don't worry. There are variations to suit different fitness levels. For beginners, knee push-ups are a great option. Simply drop to your knees while keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your knees. This modification allows you to build strength while maintaining proper form. As you progress, you can transition to standard push-ups, where you balance on your toes. Remember to keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body as you lower yourself down. Aim for 5 to 10 repetitions to start. If you can do more, that's fantastic. Just listen to your body and focus on maintaining good form. Let's strengthen those arms and chest with some solid push-ups. Now, let's move on to lunges, a fantastic exercise for building lower body strength and improving balance. Lunges target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, making them essential for a well-rounded workout. To perform a lunge effectively, start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Let's begin with forward lunges. Step forward with your right foot, lowering your body until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee stays directly above your ankle to avoid strain. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, and then switch legs. For variety, you can also try reverse lunges. Step back with your right foot, lowering your body in the same manner. This variation can be easier on your knees and helps improve balance. Throughout the movement, focus on maintaining good posture, keep your chest up and core engaged. For beginners, aim for 8 to 12 lunges per leg. If you find it challenging, feel free to start with fewer reps. Let's strengthen those legs and improve our stability with some lunges. Now, let's focus on the plank, an excellent exercise for developing core strength and overall stability. The plank engages not just your abs but also your back, shoulders, and glutes, making it a powerhouse move for your fitness routine. To perform the plank correctly, start by lying face down on the floor. Then, lift your body off the ground, balancing on your forearms and toes. Ensure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders and your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. It's crucial to engage your core and avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high, as this can strain your back. Keep your neck neutral by looking down at the floor, not forward. Aim to hold the plank for 20 to 30 seconds. If you're just starting, it's perfectly fine to hold for a shorter duration and gradually increase your time as you build strength. The benefits of planks extend beyond just core strength, they also enhance your overall stability, which is vital for performing other exercises effectively. Let's strengthen that core and improve our stability with a solid plank. As we wrap up our workout, it's essential to cool down properly to help your muscles recover and improve flexibility. Cooling down allows your heart rate to gradually return to normal and reduces the risk of soreness. Let's take about 1 minute to go through some static stretches that will help relax those muscles we just worked. Start with a standing forward bend. Stand tall, then slowly bend at your hips, reaching towards your toes. Hold this position for about 15 seconds, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Next, transition into a quad stretch. Stand on one leg, grab your opposite ankle, and gently pull it towards your glutes. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch legs. Now, let's stretch our arms. Extend one arm across your body, and use the opposite arm to gently pull it closer to your chest. Hold for 15 seconds on each side. Remember, taking the time to cool down is just as important as the workout itself. It helps prevent stiffness and enhances your overall flexibility. Great job today, and let's make cooling down a regular part of our routine. Congratulations on completing the 7-minute bodyweight workout for beginners. Today, we covered a fantastic lineup of exercises, including bodyweight squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and a refreshing cool down. Each of these movements plays a vital role in building strength, improving flexibility, and enhancing overall fitness. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you'll not only tone your muscles but also boost your endurance and stability. Remember, consistency is key. To see the best results, aim to practice this workout regularly, ideally a few times a week. As you progress, feel free to challenge yourself by increasing the number of repetitions or trying more advanced variations. If you enjoyed this workout and found it helpful, we'd love for you to engage with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and routines, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with friends or family who might benefit from it. Your support helps us create more content to keep you motivated on your fitness journey. Thanks for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the next workout.